so not in the right shoes for this sort of carry on. Oh. That could do a bit of it. Very foot loose heavy the weight. Told you, it just pushes stuff out of the road. Whoa, you take your eye on the ball there for a second.
I'm too busy looking at the road.
That's probably not the first time you've said that, is it?
There, maybe if that's over there.
No, Tim, we'll build the bridge for your movie.
I think it was, I was just going to drive over everything there. Oh, that back wheel might not, is it going to climb on?
Yeah. Well, it will when it goes down a bit where your front one is now. It will. Alright.
Yes.
Beautiful.
Excellent. Rory got it. No way Rory got that.
He did.
No way. No way. FTX, hashtag Proline, hashtag Geo, hashtag High Rock got up that. What? If the FTX can do that, the Gladiator just walk up, but there's no point in me unhooking it off my back here to get it up. Whoa, no!
It would have been a big fall.
It would have been. That was right up to the top too.
That's the route Rory took.
There we have Mr. Coggin. You know.
Yeah, let's try this climb with the beast. Yeah, maybe.
We're off to a poor start already, aren't we?
Second.
A wee tiny bit of speed for this bit.
Ours are nearly smooth right anyway. Oh.
Yes. Bet you're surprised that made it up.
I'm surprised you made it out.
Do you know what? I'm feeling surprisingly fresh now.
Oh, good. Told you the bike are short shed, don't I? I haven't finished paying for this.
I think we're going to get a roll here very shortly. Kubrick's style, trying their best to hold on. Cog and billet special rims on that. Lovely. They're tighter.
I've made new ones, it's like square stud instead of round one.
Subscribe to your channel, or did you just go for it anyway?
Like 6. Close enough. I've just been asked after putting a post up on Instagram. I wanted 20 people to subscribe to the channel, and I was going to buy this SCX6. Well, in line with the SCX6, I got 6 new subscribers, so that was enough for me to pull a plug and buy it. But we're running, how long do you reckon, Benji? An hour and a half? Almost 2 hours. I'm running a 3S 7000 milliamp battery in that, and we've got almost 2 hours worth of run time out of it on the trail, so that's phenomenal run time. I have 2 batteries in under the shell, one on each side. Obviously just plug one in at a time, so when I have the second new battery in and plenty more in the backpack here, so yeah, plenty of run time, guys. Well pleased with that. So Guys, this SCX6 is absolutely epic. Look at this thing. I think Axial have just totally nailed it, absolutely nailed it. The power in first gear for crawling is fantastic, and the wee bit of oomph in second gear is equally fantastic. Steering servo has been perfect for me. Definitely could do with maybe stiffer foams in the tyres, bit of heavier weight, maybe bit of change the weight of the shock oil a bit heavier, and have to fit a winch state some way, shape or form, but I'm sure somebody will come out with a how-to of how to do that. So yeah, up to now, absolutely loving it, absolutely loving it. If you're thinking about getting it, you're on the fence, I'd highly recommend it. Definitely go for it. But yeah, I think we're going to call that quits for today, and until next time folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and leave me a comment, let me know what you thought, and any ideas and thoughts on what I should do, let me know. We'll see you next time folks. Bye bye.